Ever opened your lunch bag to find yesterday's chili doing laps around your laptop? If you just nodded, here are the 3 very different vibes of container. The Rubbermaid Brilliance 5-piece set. Think of it as the armored car of meal prep. Each 3.2 cup box clicks shut with a 100% leak-proof seal, and built-in vents mean you can toss it straight into the microwave without popping the lid. No splatters, no steam-burned fingers. It's lightweight, crystal clear, and a certified bestseller. So if you live on salad and leftovers and hate surprises, this is your low-maintenance wingman. Now maybe you batch cook like you're feeding a sitcom family. Enter FineDine's 24-piece borosilicate brigade. You get rectangles, squares, and plot twist, round bowls, all glass, all oven to freezer tough. Snap the lids, stack them like culinary Jenga, and boom. Towers of prepped meals that actually fit in the fridge. Borosilicate means thermal shock is yesterday's problem. So go ahead and reheat lasagna in the same dish you froze it in. With that many pieces, you can lose a couple behind the couch and still pack a full week of lunches. But what if 5 feels skimpy and 24 feels like professional chef territory? Vtopmart's 8-piece middle child says, "Relax, I've got range." You get a Goldilocks mix of sizes plus lids that come in bright, happiness-level colors. Goodbye, mystery meat gray. The removable silicone seals and 4-point locks keep soup where soup belongs, and the borosilicate glass laughs at extreme temps. It's the sweet spot for anyone who wants variety without dedicating a closet to Tupperware mountain. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.